Hey garden heads, let's garden. Today we're going to be harvesting green zucchinis. Our green dinguses are ready. Let's dig through the, look at that little radish growing. I think I'm going to trim some of these plants. There's just too many. Oh, there's one, first one. Big one. It's our first. Nice. Ladies. I won't leave that in. So you can see here, this avocado looks ready for, or zucchini looks ready for eating, right from the melon patch. 2. Now we need to get the final one. The secret to a good garden is soil. You can tell this is the male plant. That's too much. So we got three jumbos. They might be too hard now. So successful. Want to give. I want to thank the dirt. I want to thank Mother Nature for this. Brought to you by this episode of gardening. If you want to have zucks this big, follow 3 simple steps. Bury the seeds in the dirt and water them, and then harvest them. You can tell they're ready to harvest. I think this was overall a good success.